This is just a quick video to show you how to download assignments from Google Drive so that you can upload them to OMHS. So you're going to go to File, and then you're going to scroll down to Download, and you're going to select Microsoft Word or PDF, I don't care which. And you'll click it, and then it will pop it down there. So then you'll go to the OMHS. Hang on. Let me pull this over here. You'll go to your plan. This assignment was due last Friday, so I'll pull it from there. You're going to select More once this little, so select More. Click on the blue All About Me paragraph or whatever the assignment is. And then you're going to upload here. Click Upload. And you'll see your download right at the top of your list. And you'll click Open. And then you can see it's right there. And you'll click Submit. And you'll get that little notification saying it's submitted successfully. Let me know if you have any questions.